Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolour Mentor and welcome to House and Building Portraits Line and Wash Essentials. Line and Wash was my first introduction into watercolour. It combines the benefits of both mediums and is a great way to learn the basics of drawing and painting. Buildings, especially homes, evoke emotions, a sense of place, belonging, as well as deeply personal memories. In this class, you'll learn how to create portraits of various homes and buildings using pen and watercolour. You'll learn how to apply drawing and painting techniques to create portraits of any building. There were so many things that I wish someone had walked me through when I was learning line and wash. I want to share these essential tips and skills with you so that by the end of this course you'll be able to show off some beautiful line and wash illustrations to your friends and family. This class is aimed towards beginners with 6 line and wash demonstrations which I'll help guide you through step by step. There are scans, drawing and tracing templates included as well for each demonstration to help you transfer your drawing over quickly and easily. You also have the option to follow along to my real-time drawing and narration videos for each scene. I take a different approach from other instructors by narrating my demonstrations in real time. I explain every technique I use in the context of the painting, such as using watercolour to paint shadows on a building. I'll be going over the basics of pen and wash sketching. I'll talk about what materials you need, your options, which ones I use and recommend. If you have a pen, some watercolour paints and paper, then you're set to go. I'll show you how to sketch with the pen quickly and accurately using a variety of techniques including drawing lines in segments, hatching, and using different size nibs to your advantage. I'll also demonstrate essential watercolour techniques you can use over and over again for any painting. So join me in this class. I'm excited to show you how to create some beautiful paintings and drawings that you can be proud of.